So now, settings should work just fine for you. And also now, you can open any one of these and they should work. For example, we can open stocks. And you may notice that the Yahoo logo down there has been changed to the Skyglow logo. And as you can see, all the stocks features works. It can even pull actual current news articles. So that's cool. But yeah, everything works. We can go into Apple and see how that's doing. But yeah, I'd say that about wraps it up for today's video. If you enjoyed this, leave a like and subscribe. And I have an account on the Internet Archive where I upload pre-installed virtual machine hard drive images and weird stuff like that. And yeah, I think that's about it. I'll see you in the next video.